So guys, to fix this problem, what you have to do is to head straight to your phone menu. Now try to search for your settings app. When you find your settings app, tap on it to open it. After that, try to search for apps and notification. When you find it, tap on it to open it. Then now, what you have to do over here is to wait whilst it's loading, and after loading, tap on see your apps. After that, you're going to see your apps listed over here in alphabetical form. Now tap on the search app at the top right corner. Then search for NBA Live. Tap on it when it appears. Now tap on storage and cache. Tap on the clear cache. Go back, tap on force stop, tap on OK. Then after that, tap on notification. Make sure the show notifications are all turned on. Now go back. Then after that, tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi. And other devices, they have mobile data and restrictions. It's all the same. Make sure to toggle on the background data. So let's toggle it on. After that, what you have to do is to check for the update of the app on Google Play Store. You can also check your App Store. So after updating it and getting the latest updates of this app, what you have to do is to tap on the power button for some while, tap on restart, then tap on OK, and this problem is going to be fixed. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next one. Don't forget to tap on the subscribe button, like, and also share this video with your friends.